Welcome. Today we are going to be making these beautiful earrings, and to make them we shall need yarn of your choice. I'm going to be using this nylon yarn and a 2mm hook. You will need the fish hooks, a tapestry needle and a scissor. So we start by making a magic knot, and this is how I make it. As if I'm starting a chain, tie it off. And then we make a chain of 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We slip stitch in the very first chain, like that. So that is our circle, and the next step will be to make 20 single crochet stitches in this circle that we've created. So chain 1 and we start our single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20. And then we are going to slip stitch in the very first chain that we made to close off the row. Chain 1, and in that very space we are going to make a double crochet stitch. That is our first double crochet stitch. Then we chain 3, and in the same space we still make another double crochet stitch. This will begin our corner. Now chain 3, skip 1 space, go to the next space and make a double crochet stitch. Chain 1, 2 and 3, skip 1, make another double crochet stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, skip 1, another double crochet stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, skip 1 and another double crochet stitch. Skipped 2 there, skip 1, so we have 1, 2, 3. This is the corner one, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next one is going to be the corner still. So chain 3, skip 1, make a double crochet stitch, chain 3, make another double crochet stitch in the same space. That makes our corner, and we repeat the same process. Chain 3, skip 1, make a double crochet stitch, chain 3, skip 1, make another double crochet stitch, chain 3, skip 1, make another double crochet stitch. This is the corner. We have 1, 2, 3, You are going to make the fourth, skip one, make the fourth, double crochet stitch, chain 3, and then at the top of our first double crochet stitch we are going to slip stitch to close off that row. Now we are going to go in this, you see, in the corners, this is the corner and this is the corner. In between the corners we have 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side and 1, 2, 3, no. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, then the corner, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we go in our corner space. Make a single crochet, then make a half double crochet, and then make a double crochet. Chain 1, make a double crochet and a half double crochet and a single crochet. That is for the corner. Make a single crochet followed by half double crochet followed by a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. And then in these other spaces which are not corner spaces, we make a single crochet and a half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet and single crochet. We go to the next space, single crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet and single crochet. You go to the next space, single crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet and single crochet. We keep doing that until we get back to our corner. So this is our corner space. We are going to make the same pattern we did here. We made a single crochet, half double crochet, then a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet. And now again we are going to repeat this same pattern that we've been doing in these other spaces that are not corner spaces. That is a single crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet and single crochet. We do that until we get to the corner. When we get to the corner, we slip stitch, chain 1, and we are going to cut our yarn. Pull out our yarn, and then you're going to get your fish hook and you will attach it in the corner. We are going to take our tapestry needle, weave in the ends, and there you have it. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay blessed.